All right, welcome back. Welcome back. We already did level. It's already over. Let us fill in the missing pieces under the values command. We have done gender. We have done that. We have done student status. We have done age. We have done GPA as well, and a time devoted to extensive reading during vacation was already done as well. So what I'm missing here include time devoted to extensive reading while taking courses, frequency of reading newspaper, magazine, comic book, poetry, letters, email, internet, novel, and non-fiction. We have not added or filled in the missing pieces for the value command for these items. So we are going to automate everyone, and automation is a good thing. Automation gonna bring us a lot of efficiency. It's gonna save us a lot of time. So let us try to automate. As long as we understand, the response categories provided to the respondent to choose, we can automate, and we're gonna do the automation together, everyone. It's gonna be an exciting, moment. It's gonna be an exciting journey for automating the process, and automation is a good thing, no doubt. It is a good thing. We know that the response category for reading during vacation and reading during taking courses are the same, okay? Are the same. So we are going to automate. So we're gonna highlight like that. We highlight like that. And we're gonna go to edit, copy, and then we put the cursor here. We highlight this item, and we're gonna go to edit, paste. So we have done that. Similarly, we can highlight this one. You know that reading newspaper had 3 response category: 1, rarely, never; 2, sometimes; and 3, frequently. And for item, magazine item, comic book item, poetry item, letters, email item, internet item, novels item, non-fiction item, we provided the same response categories for the participant to select one option for each item, for each question. If you go back to the questionnaire, it is very, very true like that. It is very true like that. Question number 10 is about, please indicate how often you read each of the following. And then we list the reading materials enjoyed by the participant, and the response category are divided into 3: rarely, never, sometimes, and frequency. So when we have the same response category for all the statements, all the questions like this, I think we have a lot of reason, we have a good reason to be smiling. Why? Because we are not going to do, the typing one by one, okay? We are not going to do one, never, rarely, enter, 2, sometimes. We are not going to do that, everyone. We are not going to do that. We are going to automate. All right. Since we have done the value for the first item, newspaper, we are going to highlight. We're gonna go to edit, copy, and we highlight this one, and we are going to select multiple items by press and hold, okay? By press and hold shift key on your keyboard. Press and hold and down arrow in order to select. We're gonna go back to edit and paste. Voila, everything is done. So we have automated, the process. We have automated the process. We are going to do the same for missing. We have coded 88 and 99 for missing. If we activate the sub dialog, we're gonna see we selected discrete missing value and we enter 88 for missing value and 99 for invalid data. It is a good idea if you feel that there would be some missing or some invalid data for certain respondents for each of the variable or the item here. Possibly it is a good idea to highlight, edit, copy, and then highlight all by press and hold, and down arrow, go to edit and paste. So technically we are done. We are done with everything, with name, type, width, decimal, level, value, missing, column. We did not change anything. Align, we did not change anything. We are done, and we are done. So now everything is, carefully done regarding, the data editor that include data view and variable view. In the next video, we will learn how to save SPSS document, and also keep the document in a very safe location where we can retrieve this important data file in the future.